Not only am I going to be unboxing the G.Skill Trident Z Neo 32GB kit, I'm going to show you how to find fast kits like this on PCPartPicker for your 3rd gen Ryzen gaming systems. What we have here is a 32GB kit that's 2x16 gigabytes of 3600 megahertz at cast latency 16. When purchasing memory for your 3rd gen Ryzen system, memory frequency, in this case 3600 MHz, isn't the only factor in speed you want to take into consideration. That other factor is cache latency. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about on PCPartPicker. Click on System Builder, click on Choose Memory, click on G.Skill. We know that 3rd gen Ryzen systems run the most optimal with DDR4 3600. We know that all mainstream motherboards only operate in dual channels, so we're going to go with a 2x8GB kit. The fastest memory for 3600 is right around 16. And you're left with quite a few options, but you'll notice a lot of them are blank when it comes to price. So all you do is slide the price over a little bit. That gets rid of all the blank spaces. And then type in Neo for search. You're left with 3 options. The most expensive option is going to have the tightest timings. You'll see here 14, 15, 15, 35. Adversely, if you're looking for a 32GB kit like the one in my unboxing video, go back. Instead of checking off a 2x8GB kit, we'll check off a 2x16GB kit. Type in Neo, and you're left with 2 options. The most expensive one is going to have the tightest timings, which so happens to be the kit in my unboxing video. Make sure to like this video if you liked it, and consider subscribing because I'm going to be putting this G.Skill Trident Z Neo kit into a 3rd gen Ryzen mini ITX system.